Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good guys, right? So guys, in last video already I have discussed what all the basic methods what we have in the array list, and already I have shown the demonstration, right, of my implementation. So what all the basic methods and how we are going to use in the application, right? I hope you watch that video, right? So guys, in this video I am going to explain that continuation video for last. Okay, so in this video I am going to explain what all those constructors we have in the array list, okay, and how we are going to find out all the constructor, right? Because we have so many implements in class, right? So we don't know which constructor we are going to use in which place, right? And also remember all the constructor is not possible, right? So I will give one very basic idea, okay? So with that you will come to know very easily, you will come to find very easily all the constructor, okay? So how we are going to find the constructor of respective implements class, okay? With this approach also I will going to explain in this video. So please guys, don't skip this video, please watch from starting to end, then you will come to know very easily. And also I am giving what very assurance, if you will see this video, so your array list constructor will become very what completely understanding. If you will see entire video, so then you will come to know, okay, yes, this constructor of array list very easy to understand. You will never forget this concept. I am giving damn sure assurance. Okay, so guys, without wasting the time, we'll start all the constructor what we have in the array list. Okay guys, so guys, see, this is our 9th video, continuation of last what video number 8. So guys, first I will explain, okay, so how we are going to check, how we are going to find the constructor details, okay, by which approach we can see all the constructor details in our Java. Okay, so guys, that purpose we have Java API documentation. What we have Java API documentation, right? So with that documentation we can easily find out all the constructor what we have in the array list. Okay, so guys, first I will show you all the constructor where we have, right? So guys, you can search here Java, okay, 8 or Java API documentation, right? So guys, see, this is first one, right? So if you search with Java API, so will come Java API documentation, right? See, so first link. So if you click this link, guys, so will redirect to this page, guys. So guys, why I'm telling this approach, if you don't know in respective implement class how many types of constructor are there, so directly you can go there, you can find out very easily. Okay, so guys, please concentrate and be focused, okay, what I'm going to explain. See guys, in left side you can see all the package in collection, right? All the package we have, right? See, so many packages are there. So you know very well, guys. So what I'm going to explain now, that belongs to what? Collection. That is, right, collection, and that is util package, right? It's come under the util package. You just find out where util package are there. See here, java.util. So in this package, guys, what we need to see array list, right? So in util package, you can click here, right? After clicking here, Java util, so you can see here in bottom interface and what implementation class. See there, guys, this is classes and these are the interfaces. So guys, as of now we are going to learn all the implementation class. So array list is our implementation class of list interface, right? See, you can see here list interface. So array list is under the list interface. That's why guys, you just come here, you can see here array list is a implementation class. You can click that implementation class, guys. See, now it will redirect to the array list. So guys, entire things what we are going to discuss now, so I will show you here. So how many constructors, our main motto is, guys, so in this video our main motto is we need to learn how many constructors we have in the array list, right? So guys, you can see here, so every entire information will comes under in this page. Okay, array list, right? Already I mentioned you, right? So if you're going to see, so these all are the interface, respective interface, so many implements class are there. So array list is implement class of the list interface, right? So just I click that classes under the array list. So now we can see this page, right? See guys, already I have discussed earlier video, but you have seen this thing, right? So array list is a resizable array, right? That is underlying data structure belongs to the resizable array. If you're going to implement array list concept in your project, that means you should know first, okay, the underlying data structure is what? Resizable array. Yes or no, guys? I hope you understanding, right? Great. So and also I have, and you can read out all the things, guys, if you have some time. Okay, so many things are there. So how array list are structured, how array list their features are there, so many things are there. You can read out very carefully after going to search Java API documentation. But our main motto is, guys, I need to find out what all those what constructor, right? See guys, so that is a constructor, guys. See, constructor summary. So our main motto is we need to learn how many constructors we have in the array list, right? See guys, so these three, guys, so I will explain each one. So we have, guys, three constructor in the array list. How many, guys? Three constructor we have in the array list. So first is default constructor, guys. Once you're going to implement any array list concept in your project or implementation or knowledge set, guys, so first you should know, right, we should have first constructor, that is a default constructor. See guys, constructors an empty list with an initial capacity of 10. So you might be aware of this thing. So initial capacity of array list is 10. Guys, initial capacity of is 10. By default we can say, by default initial capacity of array list is 10. Okay, and guys, see second array list. Second array list was array list collection extend generics like that. Okay, so in that, guys, what we need to know, what is this constructor? This constructor means, guys, nothing. So once you're going to add one collection data into another collection, that time we are going to use such type of constructor. I will explain with example as well, don't worry. First you need to know how many constructors we have in the array list. So we have three constructors in the array list. First is by default constructor, their initial capacity is 10. Okay, and second is the what? Array list. Once I'm going to pass the collection in the what? Parameter, that time we're going to use what? This constructor. And guys, third constructor, array list int initial capacity, guys. So guys, suppose when you don't want default what? Default capacity, if you want to make your own capacity as per requirement, you can use this constructor. It's simply mentioned, right? Array list int initial capacity means once you need your what? Own capacity, you don't want to use default capacity, that is 10, that time you may use such type of constructor, right? So guys, these three we have the constructor, right? So guys, just copy this thing, and just for knowledge sake I will come here and I will write here what? See guys, so this is our what? Array list constructor, right? Constructor. This video array list constructor, guys. And guys, this video number is 9. This video part is what? Video part number 9. Okay, so guys, what I understood here, so we have what? Three constructor, right? Already I mentioned it. So we have these three constructor. So first constructor is what? Default constructor, right? This is by default constructor. That means, guys, what? Already I mentioned you, construct an empty list with an initial capacity of 10. Okay, and I will explain also how we're going to increase this capacity. So guys, second constructor is what? Array list. What? Once you're going to pass the collection, that means if you add one collection data into another collection, that time we can use this constructor, right? So guys, this is the second constructor, and guys, this is the third constructor. This is our guy third constructor. And already I mentioned you, right, when I'm going to use this constructor, means guys, when you don't want default capacity. Suppose if you don't want to use default capacity, that is 10. So if you're going to use custom capacity on capacity, that time you may use such type of constructor. It already mentioned guys, construct an empty list with the specified initial capacity, and it depends upon your requirement, right? How much capacity you need. Okay, so that is the guy 3 constructor we have in the array list. Great guy. So guys, also I will tell you one thing here. So very important thing. See, so first, this is what. See guys, suppose if your initial capacity is 10, right? See, initial capacity of array list what? Right, equals to guys 10, right? What I mentioned you already, this part is belongs to the documentation guide. I am not telling this thing. So it's mentioned, see, consider an empty list with initial capacity is 10, right? So initial capacity of array list is 10 guys. See guys, how we are going to, how it will increase automatically, right? This is resizable array. Already I've told you, already I've shown you in the documentation, right? So array list is working as a array list underlying data is what? Resizable array, right? So how it's going to resize? So guys, see, so for that initial capacity is at least 10. So how it will make a new capacity guys? Suppose if you're going to make a new capacity, right, then it has some formula guys. It has some formula. So new capacity equal to guys old capacity. You can mention here old capacity. Old capacity, how you have, I will tell you, and multiply by what? 3. Multiply by 3 divided by 2 and plus 1. Guys, see, this is the guy our new capacity. Okay, once suppose it will reach the maximum capacity, okay, that is 10. Then how it can be resized? How it can be resized guys? See guys, so for the example I am just going to explain here. So new capacity means guys old capacity already you know very well, right? So 10, right? So 10 multiplied by 3 divided by how much guys? 2, then plus 1. Then guys you can tell me how it is. It will get 10 divided 3. What? 30 by 2, 15 plus 1, 16 guys. So guys, new capacity becomes 16. Yes or no guys? Tell me. So once it going to reach maximum capacity as 10, then how it can resize? So with this formula guys, just keep in mind old capacity. We no need to remember this thing guys. You no need to remember this thing, but internally how it's happening. That thing I am going to explain here. So old capacity multiply 3 by 2 plus 1. That is get new capacity. It will become a new capacity guys. Correct? So guys, this is a new capacity, correct? And guys, see, suppose this is our first default constructor, correct? And guys, see, and suppose this is the first default constructor, how it can increase the new capacity guys. This is the example. And guys, see, second, what do we have second guys? So once if you need add one collection data into another collection, right, that time this type of constructor we need to use. So guys, first you need to know the example. If you can understand easily with the help of example only. So I will explain now with the example how we are going to add one collection data into another collection when you are going to use this constructor. Means what constructor? So array list need to pass the parameter as a collection. See, so guys, see, if you are going to create array list, and also I will write first guys what I have told you. Guys, so to add add one collection, data into what? Another collection, right? That time we are going to use this constructor guide to add one collection data. What? To add one collection data into another collection. That time we are going to use this second constructor guide. This second constructor we are going to use. So how? With this example we will guys come to know. Okay. So already guys, you can write here example. Then you can come to know. I am going to explain with example. See guys, suppose if you are going to create one array list AL equals to new array list, and this also I will show on the ID guide. Don't confuse. First I will explain here with example how it looks like, how it's working. Okay. So array list, right? Okay. So guys, see, after creating array list, you can add some data into the list, right? Suppose al dot add is the method we have in the array list in this class, right? So add, suppose if you are going to add 10, right? Suppose if you are going to add some integer value 10. Suppose if you are going to add some other integer value, suppose 20. Okay. So this data we have inserted into the array list al, right? So guys, if you are going to create some other array list, just copy that one and paste here. Only just put the name of the A2, or one, just put one guy A1. This is A1. This is A1. Okay. So this is A2 guy. So we are going to add in array list A2. So A2 dot add and A2 dot add. So already we have 10, 20 we have in array 1. So you can add here 30 and you can add here 40. So guys, what will come to know here? So we have two array lists, right? So array list A1 and array list A2. So in both the array list we have some data, right? And if you need add one collection data into another collection, that guy what you need to do? So guys, only you need to do what? You need to pass array list A1 in this place. What? A1. So and after that you can print anything, right? So sys out, and that means if I print what? A2. So A2 guys, then tell me what should be the output. The output should be guys, you know what should be output guys? 10, 20, 30, 40. That should be the output guys. So guys, what we have understood here, what we have seen here. So once you are going to add one collection data, that is the one collection data, right? A1 is storing the one collection data, and this collection data we are going to store in other collection data, right? So array list A2 is the other collection data, and we directly pass in the parameter, right? Yes or no? So what it means guys? See, second constructor. So once you are going to pass the collection data, right? Once you pass the collection data, that time we are going to use such type of constructor. Guys, see, this is a constructor only, right? After new, this is a constructor only, right? This is the default constructor, right? And this is the what? Collection constructor, right? So we are going to pass collection data. Array list A1 is the collection data. We have two data right here, A1 10 and A1 add to A1 dot add 20. So we have collection data, and we are going to pass this collection data into the what? Other array list constructor, right? So guys, that is the second what? Constructor. If you need such type of requirement, we can use blindly what? This constructor. Got it? Okay guys, I hope you understood. So guys, this is the third constructor. When you need to use this constructor guys. So guys, see, if you just, I'm giving an example. Suppose if you use here new array list, suppose if you created 20 is the capacity. Suppose this is the custom capacity guys. Suppose if you created 20 is the capacity, right? So that means guys, initial capacity you want how much? Initial capacity equal to guys 20, yes or no? Because you are created custom capacity, but by default capacity is guys 10 only, right? See, By default capacity of the ArrayList is 10 only. But as per the constructor, as per the third constructor, what it does mean? You are going, suppose if you don't want default capacity, if you don't want default capacity, if you want to create your own capacity, that time you need to use this constructor, right? I hope you are getting right, and also you are with me, correct? So guys, see, I am created with new capacity, that is initial capacity is 20, correct? So how it will increase, guys? Simple, guys. The new capacity will be new capacity will be guys, already I have told you, old capacity, yes or no? Old capacity multiply by 3 divided by 2 plus 1. Guys, not tell me, then new capacity will get how much? So old capacity is, guys, 20 multiply by how much? Multiply by 3 divided by 2 plus 1. Guys, tell me how much it will be. So 20 multiplied with 60 by 2, 30 plus 1, 31. So new capacity will get 31. In that way also you can what? Create such type of constructor if you need what? Your own capacity. If you want own capacity. Great, guys. So guys, see what I understood. So in ArrayList we have 3 constructors. Constructor first means default constructor. Okay, in default constructor by initial capacity is 10. So if you want insert more data, that means it automatically internally it will create new capacity. We are not worried about the creating new capacity. So ArrayList underlying data is what? Resizable array. So with the resizable array, it's going to create new capacity. Okay, and guys, second, so ArrayList we are going to pass collection. Okay, so with this example you'll come to know very easily, right? Now already I am mentioning also. So what it mean? So to add one collection data into another collection data, that time we are going to use this constructor. With the example already you have seen, right? See, suppose the ArrayList A1 is the new first collection data, and second is the ArrayList A2. So how are you going to pass this A1 collection data into ArrayList A2, right? So with the help of only what? This constructor. I hope you understood this thing as well, right? And third guy, ArrayList initial capacity. This guy means suppose if you don't want use the default capacity, if you want your own capacity, that time you can use this constructor as well. Okay, so guys, these all are the 3 constructors which are frequently we are using in our application. Correct, guys? So guys, then you have one question, right? So what is Java API, right? What is the Java API? If you want to find and check the details of the respective method, constructor, whatever, okay, that time you can check with the help of Java API. So might be so many student have confused what is API, what is Java API. Then I will explain one thing here very easily, okay, very simply. With this example, with this story, you will come to know, okay, what is Java API. Okay, so guys, what my question here? If you don't know what is API, what is Java API, what is Java API documentation, so that answer I am going to explain now. Okay, so guys, see, suppose I am giving one simple example here. Suppose if you are going to purchase a washing machine, suppose if you are going to purchase one washing machine, assume you don't know how to use this washing machine. What I have told, if you purchase any washing machine, assume you don't know how to use the washing machine, then product owner of the washing machine will provide one user manual, right? Yes or no, guys? Then product owner, product developer of washing machine will provide one user manual. So what user manual contains, guys? What user manual contains, guys? It contains details description about the product is washing machine. What it contains? Details description about the product. Yes or no, guys? Completely yes. So in same way, guys, in same way, you just think what is Java API? What is Java API? Suppose if you don't know how to use Java, how to use Java. So James Gosling, guys. So James Gosling released Java, right? We all are know very well, right? So James Gosling released Java, right? And we all are, right? And we all are users. And suppose if also we don't know how to use the Java, correct? Yes or no? James Gosling released the Java. We know very well, right? He's the owner of Java. And we all are the users. And suppose if we all don't know how to use Java, then James Gosling must release one user manual that is called a Java API, right? So how are we going to use Java? So for that purpose, they have released one what? User manual, correct? So that's why, guys, you don't confuse what is Java API. Java API means detailed description about our product. Product is here Java, correct, guys? So, guys, this is the completely information of Java API. So whenever if you heard API, don't confuse. So that is the complete description of the respective product. Okay, guys. So guys, now next we are going to move. So what already I have discussed this thing, right? So this is the second example, right? This is some tricky, and also you should know how we are going to implement in the application, right? So that's why, guys, I will explain this example with the help of IDE. Just I am going to open the IDE, guys. This is, guys, last example. So same way I am going to get one class here, class. So array list constructor, array list constructor, array list constructor, example 5. Already I have example 4 I have done. So array list constructor example 5, get. Okay, main method, finish. See, guys. So now we reached in main class, right? So what I have told, guys. So first already I have mentioned here, right? See, guys, suppose we are going to add same code in your IDE, right? Come here and paste here, and you need to import. See, after importing, this has completely went off. Issue went off, guys. See, guys, what I have told you. So we are going to see the output. So we have created two array list. This is collection of data, guys. So A1 is the array list, A1 new array list. This is the first collection data, and this is the second collection data. And what I have told you, guys, to add one collection data, this is one collection data is A1, right? So in A1 all the data we have. So to add one collection data into other collection data, that time we are going to use that what? Constructor, right? See, this is a after new what things we can see here, that is constructor only, right? That is the guy, this constructor. This is guy, this constructor, right? Correct? So guys, we can see it. So guys, after adding this, we are going to add, we are going to print the data, right? So sys out. See, we are going to print A2 data, right? Because in A2 we have all the data, and we can see the result. So guys, see, first run the application, we see the result. What result is coming? See, guys, already I have told you, right? So what result coming, guys, here? 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes or no? See, in one collection we have two data, 10, 20, and other one is 30, 40. Once you're going to what? Print the A2, this collection data, so we can see all the data we have or not. Yes or no, guys? That is, guys, what? Collection data. Yes or no? So that is second array list, and this is the guy first array list. What we have? Default constructor, right? This is by default 10 capacity is there, guys. So guys, and also you can see here, guys. So this is bulb symbol, guys. Why this bulb symbol coming here? And guys, Eclipse is a very intelligent. Eclipse is a very intelligent, and he is very quickly confine, okay, why this developer is going to do some mistake. Okay, that's why this is not a error guy, but this is not a recommended approach. Why guys? See, if you know very well, right? So correction is not type safe, right? Correction is not type safe. So with the help of generics only we can make correction is a type safe, right? Already we have discussed all the things in the last video, right? So guys, see here, if you're going to use here integer, right? Integer, right? Correct? Yes or no? Correct guy? See, now tell me, bulb symbol has went off or not? Yes, bulb symbol has went off. Eclipse ID very what? Intelligent people. Same thing guy, if you add completely this place, but only need to add to the name of the reference here. See, remove or not guy? See, any bulb symbols are there? No guy. Why? Because correction is not by default what type safe. We need to make as a type safe with the help of generics, right? With the help of generics, right? So guys, this is a recommended approach. Now if you run the application, result will be same guys, no any difference will be there, but I have done some mistake here. See, I am not passing here A1, that's why response is coming only what 10 20, right? Now if you run the application, you can see all the data is coming or not. See guys, right? So all the data is coming. See guys, this is very, very important, and so many places we are going to use in the application as well. So guys, one thing, last discussion, last point I am going to add here. See guys, so we know very well that I said that collection is a bit slow guys compared to array. Also this point you need to remember, and also you need to know why collection is bit slow. Why collection is bit slow compared to array? What I have told you guys, this point is very important. You should know this thing. Why array list is not array list, we can say collection. Why collection is bit slow compared to array? So guys, the reason is what? The reason is what you need to know, right? The reason is what you need to know. So guys, we know very well that the initial capacity of array list was the initial capacity of array list guys. Initial capacity of what array list is guys what 10. We know very well, right? Correct? Yes or no guys? So guys, initially it will create 10 location, right? So it will create 10 location. Yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no? Correct? So guys, by default, so 10 location is created, correct? So this is guys 10 location will create. That is guys equal to the max capacity, right? By default max capacity, right? Yes or no? That is default guys. By default max capacity, correct? You know this thing very well. No need to explain more on that, right? So guys, see, once it reaches max capacity, then what is the guy new capacity? You know very well. New capacity guy. New capacity means what? New capacity means guy what? Old capacity how much? 10 multiply how much guy? 3, right? Divided by 2 plus 1, that equal to guy 16, right? That is equal to 16, right? So guys, see here, this 10 not become 16 guy. This 10 not become 16. So it will create new 16 actually. Again it will create what? 16 again. So 3, 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, right? Then 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, then 16. So again it will create 16 data, right? And all previous 10 data will copy and store in newly created. So whatever the 10 data are there initially, so it will again copy. It will copy. This 10 not become 16. This 10 not become 16 here. So all the 10 data will copy into first this new created 16. Got it? So guys, so all previous data will copy and store in newly created list. That's why it will take little more time. Why? Because copying the previous data into newly created list. But guys, you know very well, in array list, so in array is a fixed inside. Array is fixed inside. We are not going to copy any data. Initially, what you have fixed the size. If you created 20 elements in the array, so we are once it will reach max capacity, we are not able to insert data in array, right? Because it is fixed inside. But in array list we can do. Why? Because the underlying data itself is a resizable array, right? Internally it's work with the resizable array. So with the help of what? Old capacity multiply by 3 by 2 plus 1. So we are not take care about the creating new capacity. Internally array list will be do such type of operation. That's why the underlying data structure belongs to resizable array. That's why guys, what I have told, collection is bit slow. Collection is bit slow compared to array. I hope guys, all of you got all the point completely. What my motto, so how many constructors we have in the array list and how we are going to use. Okay, and suppose some question, maybe in interview, some interview may ask the question, why collection is bit slow compared to array. So you can tell like that, right? What I've explained you. That's it guys, in this video. If you like this video, please click like button and do comment as well guys. Okay, and click notification button as well. So once ever I will upload any video, directly will get notification. Yes or no? And along with guys, please share among your friends as well. So it will boost my motivation. Okay guys, you know very well. So this is the completely collection collection series. So it will almost 40 to 50 video I will upload. Anyone, if you are the beginner, you will experience. Okay, if you will watch completely this series of the collection, so what I hope you don't have any confusion in the collection topic. What I have upload the video, please watch carefully and don't skip the video. If you will see from starting to last, so definitely you will have more confidence. Definitely, I'm damn sure. Everything I will cover in the entire collection series. So almost guys, I will explain 40 to 50 videos. This is not only 9th video. So now at least 30 to 35 video I will bring. Okay, and if you see all the video, definitely you will master of collection. Okay guys, that's it. So please like, share, subscribe my video, which will boost my motivation. Thank you guys. We'll meet very soon in next video. Bye bye.